Good morning, everyone. My name is Tien Nguyen, and I am the lead marketing data scientist for Betting, and Yonder. Today, I present how we develop a predictive model to estimate household spending. And this project was crucial to us because it's tailored to BBY marketing strategies for our most valuable customers and prospects. So this presentation is divided into 5 parts. First, I will outline the problem statement and the objectives. Then I will discuss the data analysis process, the modeling techniques that we use, and the most important variables driving the household spending. Finally, I will share the predictions and summarize the insights that we gained through this analysis and hopefully provide the senior management some insights into our customer. BBY operates a robust loyalty program that provides enriched customer data. Senior management tasks us with building a predictive model to estimate household revenue. So our objectives, including identifying the key drivers of spending among this customer, ensure the model accuracy across the datasets, and predicting the spending for prospective households. These insights would guide the personalized marketing campaigns to be laid out in the future. For the exploratory data analysis process, the first step for us is to clean up the data, and we identify minimal no answer data with only less than 4% of the rows containing no values. We also remove empty columns from the datasets to reduce the noise, because these columns were also found with near zero variance, meaning they are poor predictors to our analysis. We also remove columns with excessive unique values such as phone number, because too much unique values also does not provide us any good insights into our customer and their spending habits. So at the end, our final datasets contain 56 variables and they are joined via TMP-ID. This chart displays the average spending by quartile 1 to 4. There is a clear upward trend in spending as we move from the lowest to the highest quartile. Specifically, households in quartile 1 have the lowest average spending at $161.81, while the highest quartile 4 demonstrate the largest average spending at $400.10.28, more than double of quartile 1. This finding indicates a strong disparity in household spending across the quartiles, with quartile 4 household representing our company's most valuable customers. This chart shows the distribution of home ownership status across the household spending quartiles. Overall, the majority of households in each quartile are likely homeowners, making up around 77 to 78% of the population of our datasets. Renters account for 15 to 16% with a slight increase in quartile 2. The percentage of households classified as unknown remains consistently low, around 6 to 7%. These findings suggest that homeowners dominate household spending across all the quartiles, and this indicates that home ownership is a strong predictor of household spending behavior. On this slide, we provide more EDA charts, shows education, store visits, and age. Together with home ownership on the previous slide, we can see that these correlate strongly with spending. An average age of BBY customer we can see ranging in their 60s, and it is reasonable because these are the people that are about to be retired. They already have established careers and have a family, financially stable, so they are our main targeted customers. As you can see, this is the heat map provides geographic insights into regional household spending patterns across the United States. States are color-coded based on their average household spending, with darker shades of red representing higher spending and the lighter shades of yellow indicating lower spending. specifically South Dakota, California, and Arizona, shown as states with some of the highest average household spending, as shown by the red coloring. This trend highlights regional disparities, with states in the Midwest and the West exhibiting higher spending concentrations compared to other areas in the country. So these kind of insights are extremely valuable for understanding consumer behavior, and targeting high spending regions for business strategies to help our marketing teams is extremely helpful. For the modeling techniques, we tested several models including linear regression parsimony, generalized linear model or GLM, decision tree, and random forest. And it turns out the GLM outperformed the others, it delivering the best balance of accuracy and consistency across the training and the test datasets. We evaluating these models' performance using the RMSE and the MAPE to ensure reliability. This slide compares the performance of different models using the root mean square error and the mean absolute percentage error for both training and test datasets. The left chart shows the RMSE values where models like the linear regression perform consistently across the train and the test sets. On the right, the MAP chart highlights similar trends, with linear regression showing relatively stable performance and low error. However, you can see the random forest model, while performing well on the training set, it has a significantly higher RMSE and MAPE on the test sets, indicating signs of overfitting. So due to this overfitting, we have decided not to use the random forest model and instead focus on models that generalize better, such as the linear regression. On this slide, we have highlighted the top 10 important variables that influence household spending predictions that derive from the model we chose, a generalized linear model. So let's break this down. The first one being geographic location, and it is deemed to be the most critical variable. This confirms that location plays a significant role as spending trends vary by region. You can see households on the West Coast, which show that they spend more than other areas in the countries. Next, estimated home values follow closely, which aligns with the insight about homeowners tend to spend significantly more than renters. Higher home values also often correlate with higher household wealth and spending capacity. Computer ownership is another key factor. Households where individuals have access to computers and internet are more likely to engage in online shopping, which leading to increased spending levels. Donations to causes such as veterans organizations and children charities also is a very influential factor. This suggests that people who donate to charities tend to have higher disposable income and spend more in general. GLM models was then applied to predict spending for 5,992 prospect households. These predictions will be sent to the marketing team afterward in a CSV file, and it will enable the marketing team to design tailored campaigns for these individuals. High spender could receive a premium discount, while lower spender might be offered a volume-based incentive like buy one get one free deals. In summary, our predictive models equips BBY with actionable insights for personalized marketing strategies. By identifying key spending drivers and segmenting customers effectively, we can create data-driven campaigns that maximize revenues. The next steps involve implementing these campaigns and refining the model based on results will be handed over to the marketing team. Thank you so much for listening to our analysis today.